Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to clear scratch disk Photoshop. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what a scratch disk is. In Photoshop, a scratch disk is a space on your hard drive that Photoshop uses as temporary storage when your system doesn't have enough RAM to perform a task. Over time, this scratch disk can fill up, leading to errors and performance issues. To clear the scratch disk, start by closing Photoshop. It's important to make sure that the program isn't running while you're doing this. Once it is closed, click on Windows plus R key. Then type temp and hit enter. Then delete all these files. Don't worry, it won't delete any data of yours. And that's how you clear scratch disk Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be experiencing the same issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.